Hey everybody, I just wanted to get on here and discuss the bath towel sets. If you're with a mechanic, I'd get dark color washcloths and towels because they grab the first thing they can get a hold of, and the grease and dirt end up ruining them. So it's much easier to get like black, a dark blue, something less noticeable for when they get a hold of it and use it to wash their hands and stuff after they're done working on cars. Also, there's a degreaser nail scrubber. You can get them at Mac, Snap-on, any part store. Those come in handy. You can even get like a nail brush from Dollar Tree. They use it for well, at least my mechanic uses it to scrub his fingernails and up to his elbow when grease gets all the way up to it. Also, when cleaning, if your towels and washcloths get ruined, turn the old ones, when you get new ones, just take the old ones and use it to scrub and clean around the house. It's definitely saved us a couple of dollars, and it also comes in handy when your mechanic's like, hey, come help me with this, or I need a rag to hold this and wipe this off. Hand them the old ones. They'll be thankful, and it'll save the bank. Bye!